on 5.10 hiding folder in Archi's model tree. It means it's some folder is by default is there, but it's you make some changes, let them is invisible. The purpose I will mention that once we explain this one. So it's possible to hide the top level folder in the model tree. It's not able to hide those subfolder. So a common use case is that the relations folder content might get very big and unwieldy. Means is today is I only have 4 relations in this test model, but consider is when you keep the working on your these elements. So like is I have a node, so continue is a node is doesn't create any relations. But if I have these ones with row to capabilities realize, and from the capability to this one is associate to. So when you're starting to build more and more models in your repository, you just see whenever you add a link, there will be our relations putting on this root folder. So if you don't have a well pre-design for how your team is organized on the relations, that is not so easy for every architect to organize those relationship like they organize the element. So I can show you one sample is recently is when I do this SAPSA the security architecture modeling in Archimate. When I did this model, so from the day one is I make the decision or this plan is whenever I build our view. Since you can see is until the chapter 9 is we have 69 the different views. Not all figures numbers have a view, but I decided is to organize the relation like the folder-based folder with those figure folder. So every relation is I put into the folder when is first we modeled. It's for sure is one relation can be reused later on, but I just putting those into a folder that is we first model that. So this is not happened common, because it's you are not so easy to manage our huge architecture team is let everybody is to make some meaningful the relations organize the folder. So that will be the result is let me close this. Is in our working repository in the company, our relations folder is just have one plain level, and is already more than 30,000 relation links. So consider that is when you have enabled this link to view, and if you happen this point to a relation, that will means is in the model tree, they will explore that 30,000 more relationship element and find out that concept of this specific relation and highlight. Sometimes that is big the performance issues. So in those huge repository and especially for relationship folders that you don't organize that in many subfolders, you can use this 3 dot to hide this when you do this modeling work. For sure is you can also hide this any other folder, but that is not happened for so often, because when you do the modeling is your element is placed in those strategy folder, for example, referring to capability value stream. But relationship is sometimes is not so much concerned is if we don't see that immediately. For sure, is if I want to analyze this relationship, I would like to see this some information. But instead of we open that relations folder, is you can also look at from here. So this relation is coming from this this view, and the possible is this cap is let me see. So do I have this cap one? So analysis is I also use this relation. So when I drag that relation here, so then I have this relation now used by two views. So that is all already good enough for you to analyze your this the usage, but it's not like the meanings of here. So if I unhide the relation folder, so if I click that, is it will show here. That is our realization relation. Parenthesis is business role as the source, and cap as the target. But if I cannot see the relations folder, so if I hide that, you can hover your mouse to here. Then that is also give you the exact same as like the type is showing in the name, and also in the parentheses is this business role realize cap one. So this sentence is like a triple in the ontology or RDF syntax, and is already good enough for you to understand this relation. So that is our feature, and I hope is you can use that if your model have a huge amount of relationships in the repository. But keep in mind is these settings persist between session and when closing and reopen the model tree. So this one is just the keep. So if you are working in a small model and you make this relation is displayed or visible before you open our huge model. So then this ensure is put that is invisible first. Otherwise, this at least you will experience the first of certain the negative performance issue. So this is the purpose for the hiding the folders. And next video is we will move to the last topic for searching and filtering in model tree. But for that is we may have several quick videos to show you some tactics using searching and filtering. So see you then. Bye for now.